Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain the Subtly app review in order to check if the app is worth using. So let's quickly dive into it. The Subtly app is great for tracking inventory, whether for business or personal use. Letting you use Canva code or QR code, also organize items into folders, add photos, and get low stock alert. It supports offline use and sync when you are back online, making it flexible for on-the-go inventory work. So on the flip side, the free plan limits you to just 100 unique items, and the paid plan gets expensive quickly as you scale up. Users also report price hike, occasional app slowness, and limit integrations with accounting system. In my own opinion, the Subtly is worth using if you want a visually intuitive, flexible inventory tools for smaller to medium operation or personal cataloging. But if you have a large inventory or you need a deep integration, its cost and limits could be a deal breaker. And that's it. If you find the video helpful, if you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.